would not serve risotto because of the aspect that it takes 45 minutes to make. I've seen it where also you can cook it 3/4 of the way, stop the cooking, put it on a sheet tray, spread it all out, put it in the refrigerator, stops the cooking, and then to order, scoop up what you need, add some more stock, get the right consistency. I've done it that way too. So it's going to be the absorption method. There's many different, I've seen it done in regards of 3-to-1 ratio, 1 part arborio rice. Arborio rice is a medium to short grain rice, medium grain. It's high in starch, so it helps coat makes it very sticky like, and then it's, the consistency you want for risotto. Risotto is not overcooked like oatmeal. You don't want an oatmeal consistency. If you overcook it, it will be like oatmeal. You want a little bit tooth to it, a little bit of bite to it as you feel it, but you don't want it to stick to your teeth, so it's still that undercooked. There's a little consistency to it. I'll start risotto first, go through some other things. I will not be able to finish risotto. I'll stop you in the middle of your production, bring you up, showed you the finished 3 dishes. I'm going to put them all on one plate, as you guys will too. And then you have a 15-minute window to drop it off for me. 11:45. So if you get it done early, you've gone too fast and you haven't managed your time quite well. And then your food will have to be sitting cold, and then I'll grate it cold for you. To bring it right up when time it'll be warming up. Big thing with A shift, they didn't reheat the rice enough. Some of them stopped cooking it and they just added the other ingredients. It's just like, make sure it's hot. So, risotto. The recipe in the book is pretty good. A little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil. 1 equal parts olive oil to butter. Why? It looks like roughly 1/4 of an ounce, roughly. Wet meat stuff. Why olive oil and butter? Flavor.
Butter will burn quickly, and olive oil will give it a high heat rate.
Exactly. A little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil. Enough to sweat off a little bit of onion. Yeah, it's about a 1/2 ounce. Here I got 1/4 of an ounce. Not a lot of onion. Doesn't 1 ounce of the book. That's for a whole pound of risotto, right? So the recipe in the book, I did the 0.25 is your RCF. I'm doing 1/4 of a recipe. It's okay, Sal. Excuse me. 1/4 of an ounce or so. Yeah. 3 tablespoons maybe. Minced onion. Sweat the onion.
You want no color?
No color. No color. Watch your color, because if you get color, you get the little brown specks on it and everything. You end up with little brown specks in your risotto, and it's not nice. It's not pretty. If you had garlic in the recipe, you want to add garlic in the recipe, add garlic at this stage right now. Throw the garlic in now. I don't have garlic in mine. If you want to, go ahead. Do it. It's up to you. If you like garlic, you're eating it. I'm just tasting it.
What about with the green beans?
If you want to throw garlic in it, I'll show you when to throw in the garlic. Sure. It's not necessary. I'm looking more so on the technique, the risotto technique, blanching the green beans technique, roasting the pepper, the different techniques. So no color on my onion. Throw the arborio rice. Looks very good. Toast it lightly. Go from here. Take a peek. Look over. Go ahead. Go ahead. Four ounces by volume, not by weight. So a 4-ounce ladle or a 2-ounce ladle. Yes, sir. What you making? Oh, okay. I'll have a piece of fillet for your cutting board. No, go ahead. Go ahead. Sweating off the veg or the onion and the arborio. Medium heat. And so I've seen it where they've done it the pilaf method, where they'll add 3 to 1. They'll put in the 3 parts stock into it, and then the 1 part rice. Stick it in the oven and go from there. So each stage, you're going to add the rice. Let me add it first because it starts to build. That was 1 ladle. It's not 3 to 1, boom, just throw it together. It's stages. It's in stages where you add it stage in, stage at a time. Is it going to be exactly 3 to 1? Heck, I don't know. Whatever the rice takes until it's the right consistency. It may be, so it's 4 ounces measured of a 4 ounce thing of rice. It may be 16. So that'd be a 4 to 1 ratio. I don't know. You're going to have to make a judgment call. Each time it's different. The humidity in the air, the rice, judgment call. What are you looking for in the rice? If you overcook it, it looks like oatmeal. If you undercook it, it's going to be too chewy and it sticks to your teeth.
Like bullets.
Yes, like bullets. Other people say then the other one is to constantly stir. No, I mean, I've seen it. Yeah, babysitting every now and then. You got your plastic spoon. When I started cooking, we gave us wooden ones. We whittled down a nub point to this, so when you get mad at somebody, you no, not quite. You get into the other corner of the pot, and you gives you a point to stir into it. That's where you see me use both ends of the spoons, right? This comes from my risotto cooking, where you get into the corner and you stir it around because it gets stuck in the corner. Low heat, simmer it. All right, and we'll just simmer it along. That's easy, right?
No.
How long does it take risotto to take?
45 minutes.
About 45 minutes. I have my watch on that.
You let that simmer for 45 minutes?
Yeah, and you have to add the stock in stages. You may have to stop it. You may have to pull it back together. It's not.
There's nothing easy about this one.
Yeah, it's not.
That's that.
Yeah, those Italians, Sal. What's up with that?
Yeah.
My chef's knife? Want to hand me my chef's knife? So, I'm moving on to the next recipe.